Welcome back to EV Green Wheels. Today, we're diving into the eco-friendly world of the Tesla Model X. Let's explore the features that make this electric SUV a true game-changer. Feast your eyes on the sleek and futuristic design of the Tesla Model X. Its falcon wing doors and aerodynamic profile not only turn heads but also enhance efficiency. Step inside the luxurious cabin, where sustainability meets sophistication. Premium materials and a minimalist layout create an inviting and eco-conscious driving environment. The Model X is no slouch in the performance department. Dual motors deliver powerful acceleration and unmatched handling, making every drive a thrill. Safety and convenience come together with Tesla's autopilot. Experience the future of driving with semi-autonomous features that keep you safe on the road. Need space for your adventures? The Model X offers impressive cargo capacity and versatile seating options, perfect for all your green getaways. Charging your Model X is a breeze with access to Tesla's supercharger network, ensuring you're always ready to hit the road with zero emissions. Going green never looked so good. From zero tailpipe emissions to reduced carbon footprint, the Model X is a true eco-friendly choice, and that's a wrap on our Tesla Model X showcase. If you're as excited about electric vehicles and sustainability as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to EV Green Wheels for more eco-conscious content. Until next time, drive green and stay eco-friendly.